It's an ice storm outside, and yeah, I don't know. I've been watching Janice like last night and just a little bit today. Pause, cause clearly my Chipotle bowl wants y'all to see, but I'm gonna make sure. I don't know if it's gonna be before I post this or after I post this, but I did bring y'all with me while I got me a sofrito bowl from Chipotle, the large chips. Yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about it too much. We about to get right into it. Let me tell y'all, if you don't put this vinaigrette on your Chipotle bowl, I don't know what to tell you. Like, you're literally tripping and missing out. Oh yeah, I forgot I had already took a couple bites. Pretend y'all ain't see that fork up in there, okay? And then let me put some little napkins by me so we ain't doing that. But yeah, got my water. Ain't this the same brand she be drinking too? I don't know. But anyways, back up into this. I got all my stuff on the side. Like, I'm one of them. Extra vinaigrette and then put the rest of my stuff on the side because I don't need y'all doing too much. But yeah, let's get into it. Put that vinaigrette on there. I promise you it's going to change your life. I got the sofrito bowl because I am pescatarian, mostly vegetarian. Just depends on the day, you know? Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ain't that what they be saying on TikTok? Mm-hmm. 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 BRB. BRB. But then she like never went nowhere because the frame don't ever change or nothing. And she drinks some more of her water. Yeah. I mean, it's good. It's whatever. It's whatever. Mm-hmm. Yeah. But I mean, it's whatever. Chipotle bomb. It's whatever. It's whatever. Hold on, BRB. Or then one more bite. One more bite. Yeah, yeah, yeah.